thing I do is I use this tool right here to take the valve stem out of here. Take this off, and you stick this down in there, and you snag that, and you unscrew that valve stem, and it comes right out. That lets all the air out of the tire. What you're going to want to do, you want to get all the air out. That's the valve stem, that red part right there. You want to catch it, you don't want it to blow out and get lost on the garage floor somewhere. You want to save your little cap. We're just going to let that go flat. And then I'll use my tire tool to break that rim. I'll show you how we do that. I'm going to do that out in the hot sun, so I'll probably get sweaty. Oh well. And make sure to put these things someplace where I won't lose them. Maybe I'll put them right here in the seat of the hot rod. They won't go anywhere. This tank here is an old Harbor Freight tire mounting tool. I ain't gonna do too much mounting. All I want to do is break the bead on that a little bit. So this tire goes right up in here, like this. And then this thing comes down like this. And then you want it to slide up in the back of that. And I get my little bar and mash down on it a little bit. It's my little tire bar right here. Now I don't want this tire to turn because it's balanced. All I want to do is just break the bead. So I'm going to do that there. So we don't have to take this all the way off. We just want it to go down low enough so I can slip that sidewall up under that. The purpose of this was not to move the tire off the wheel. I wanted to get it down here so that I can slip this lip on the sidewall. Yes. Like that, right in there. Yes. Here. Now, I want it to be kind of straight. Sometimes it's easy to get one of these things all crookedy. What I need to do is put the valve stem in there first, and then do that. You see, what I do is, see, here's the valve stem. Here's kind of the flat side and the pointy side. The pointy side goes down in there, and you want to put this side on this. There's a notch in the end of this. You want that notch to go right on that, like that. Sometimes, like on this one side popped up. It looked like it was wanting to spit that out. That's why I bought this little white hammer. The black ones get dirty and you get dirt on the white wall. With the white one, I can kind of tap this around the edges. If one side comes out too far, but I want it to go on there even. Some of these are in there better than others. Sometimes they'll kind of come to take the right shape after you go down the road with them a little bit too. But I think you can see how I did that. It wasn't too hard. I don't think. I'm going to put this one back on and we'll do the other side right quick.